I'm going to do me eyebrow.
Bruh. You can go starting now.
Starting now. Okay.
I told you, I'll tell you when you can.
So, I'm using Mulaney. This stuff, this stuff is like amazing. Thank you for creating eyebrow makeup because homegirl don't have any, as you can see. And then I like to put this stuff inside of it. So I'm using Luminous. I use this oil primer. You just drip it. One drop. Then after I do that, I like to put like the brow gel collection brow gel. And I like to just like dab a bit onto my brush. Because I don't like brushing it on because then it gets too much product on it and then it looks caked.
Collab.
Yeah, you can't even see it on there. But so the label wore off of it, so yeah, but it's collab. It's like COL.lab. I don't know how they like say it. But anyways, I put a little bit on my thumb. Just damp it a bit. Damp. And then you place it. I'm using a beauty blender. It's kind of very much dirty, so. I use this stuff to hide the darkness underneath my eyes and under my chin or on my chin, because my chin is scarred up. I like to wet my sponges, because I was told you're supposed to do that, so I started doing it, and actually it works better whenever it's like damp than dry, because all the product actually like smears better and it doesn't go inside of the sponge quickly. So I'm going to use this one more time under here. Look how pretty that is. It's gorgeous. Okay, let me hit this one. Then I use this mascara to finish my look. Not fully finished because I still have my lipstick to do. Oh, she's beautiful. And then I use Flower by, I guess that's the brand, Flower. Then I use Smooth Kiss Glossy Lip Butter by Victoria's Secret. Yes, I should show y'all. I've had this lip gloss for like years. No joke. Let me take my hair down.